In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting. Hosting a Zoom meeting is a practical skill that allows you to bring people together virtually, whether for work, study, or even catching up with family and friends. It's simple once you get the hang of it, and today I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you need to navigate to your Zoom homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Zoom website. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so. Make sure you have your username and password ready, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Zoom homepage. This is your starting point for setting up a meeting. Now that you're on the Zoom homepage, take a look at the options available to you. On the right side of the page, you'll notice a button labeled Host. It's easy to spot, and clicking it is your next step. This action is what initiates the process of starting a new meeting. Once you've clicked the Host button, Zoom will present you with a few options. Among these options, you'll see one that says Screen Share Only. Click on Screen Share Only if your primary goal is to share your screen with the participants during the meeting. This could be useful for presentations, workshops, or when you need to walk your attendees through a document or web page. Choosing Screen Share Only ensures that your meeting's focus is on what you're showing, rather than on face-to-face interaction. However, if a video interaction is what you're seeking, you might opt to host a meeting with video. Keep in mind that at any point, you can start by sharing your screen and switch to video later if needed. As you click on Screen Share Only, Zoom might prompt you to choose the specific window or application you want to share. It's always a good idea to have the content you plan to share open and ready to go before you begin this process. It'll make the transition seamless, keeping your audience engaged and everything flowing smoothly. Once you've selected what you want to share, your meeting is live. Participants can join using the link you provide. And from there, you can manage the meeting as the host. This includes muting participants, controlling who can share their screen, and utilizing Zoom's wide range of features to enhance your meeting experience. And there you have it. Following these simple steps, you can effectively start hosting a Zoom meeting. With a little practice, you'll be managing virtual gatherings with ease, bringing people together across distances and making the most of Zoom's versatile platform. Remember, like with any tech tool, the more you use it, the more comfortable and intuitive it becomes. Enjoy hosting.